friends! Welcome to our Halloween word adventure. Today we're going to learn about Halloween decorations and fun costumes. Can you say Halloween? Let's start with some spooky decorations for the holiday. Decorations. Wreath. 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 A Halloween wreath hangs on the door. Can you knock? Knock, knock. Pumpkin. 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 Big and orange. Pretend to roll a pumpkin. Spiderweb. 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 Sticky and spooky. Wave your hands like a spider. Cauldron. 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 Bubble. Bubble. Witches cook potions here. Stir with your hands. Skull. 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 A spooky white skull. Can you say boo? Jack-o'-lantern. 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 A pumpkin with a funny face. Smile big like a jack-o'-lantern. Candle. 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 A glowing candle. Blow it out. Woo! Broom. 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 Witches ride brooms in the sky. Pretend to fly. Mask. 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 Put on a mask and hide your face. Peekaboo. Decoration. 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 So many decorations. Point to your favorite one. Costumes. Cowgirl. 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 Yee-haw! Pretend to ride a horse. Superhero. 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 Hands on hips. Say, I can save the day. Monster. 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 Grrr! Show your scary monster face. Mummy. 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 Wrapped in white. Pretend to walk slowly. Pirate. 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 R. Cover one eye like a pirate. Witch. 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 Pointy hat and broom. Say, hey, hey, hey. Ghost. 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 White and floaty. Wave your arms and say, boo. Clown. 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 Big smile. Red nose. Pretend to honk your nose. Robot. 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 Beep boop. Move like a robot. Alien. 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 From outer space. Wiggle your fingers like antennas. Mermaid. 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 Swish your tail. Pretend to swim. Firefighter. 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 Hold your hose. Say, whoosh. Vampire. 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 Sharp teeth. Pretend to bite an apple. Dinosaur. 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 Stomp, stomp. Give a loud roar. Princess, princess, princess. Wave your hand like royalty. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Check heartbeat. Say, thump, thump. Skeleton, skeleton, skeleton. Rattle your bones. Can you clap? Fairy, fairy, fairy. Sprinkle fairy dust. Wave your wand. Knight, knight, knight. Hold your sword and shield. Say, charge. Zombie, zombie, zombie. Arms out. Walk slowly. Brains? Shield, shield, shield. This is a shield. A shield can protect you. Pretend to hold your shield high. Can you say block? Helmet, helmet, helmet. This is a helmet. Knights and firefighters wear helmets. Crown, crown, crown. A crown is shiny and golden. A princess or king wears a crown. Let's put on a crown together. Sword, sword, sword. This is a sword. Knights use swords to fight dragons. Pretend to hold your sword and say, swish, swish. Broomstick, broomstick, broomstick. Witches ride on broomsticks. Hold your broom and fly across the sky. Whoosh! Trick-or-treat bag, trick-or-treat bag, trick-or-treat bag. This is a trick-or-treat bag. Kids use it to collect candy on Halloween. Wizard's hat, wizard's hat, wizard's hat. A wizard's hat is tall and pointy. Put on your magic hat, wave your hand and say, abracadabra. Lantern, lantern, lantern. A lantern makes light in the dark. Pretend to hold a lantern and look around. Can you see the spooky night? Cape, cape, cape. A cape flows behind superheroes and vampires. Spread your arms wide. Wand, wand, wand. A wand is magic. Fairies and wizards use wands. Wave your wand and say, magic, please. Wow, friends, we learned about Halloween decorations and so many fun costumes. Which costume would you like to wear? A witch, a superhero, or maybe a dinosaur? In the next video, we'll look at Halloween accessories and even more spooky words. Don't forget to say trick or treat.